Hey guys, if you like what you see, keep on watching because I'm about to show you how I created this set. So the first thing I'm doing is prepping the nail. I'm buffing off the shine and I filed the free edge. Now I'm going in with my first layer of Carnation Pink. The brand is D&D Gel, and I will make sure I leave all of the products I used to create this set and in the description box below. The color I'm using for the cover gel is Vintage Nude. And then you're going to cure it for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with my second layer of Carnation Pink. And then, of course, cure it again for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in to create the smile line for my French. I'm using a long striper brush, and this is the method that I use to give me a nice deep smile line. There are other methods that you can use to get the same look. This is just the way that I happen to do it. Now I'm going in with my No Wipe Gel Top Coat. I'm only going to do the solid nails, not the French nails yet. Then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Once that's done, I am going to apply a little bit of my IBD Clear Gel Builder. This is what I use to adhere all of my stones, all of my charms, my big chunky stones. This little jar will last you months. So now I'm going in with my No Wipe Gel Top Coat on top of the IBD Gel Builder. Do not cure it yet. Next, what I'm going to do is apply the stones. Whenever you apply your stones, make sure you are pushing them into the nail. Like, apply a little bit of pressure. You will actually be able to feel the nails sink into the gel builder. And what that does is it actually forms like a sealant around the edges. This is the best method for adhesion. You will not lose any stones with this method. I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. This right here is Young Nails Clear Acrylic Powder, and we're going to use that after this step here. So what I'm doing here is I am going back in with Carnation Pink with my dotting tool, and I'm going to go ahead and make crocodile-like pattern on the nail. Try to not make it look so uniform. Try to make it look a little bit rigid and rough looking. After you rough it up a little bit, go in with your daughter tool some more in between the lines and make like little spots here and there just to try to make it look more detailed and make it look more like a real crocodile pattern. Once you do that, you're not going to cure it yet. The next step is we're going to use that clear acrylic powder. So once you finish that, moving on to the clear acrylic powder, as you can see, you're going to pour it on the wet gel polish. Once you saturate the whole nail with the powder, you're going to cure it for 60 seconds. Once you cure it for 60 seconds, you can use your brush, dust off all that excess acrylic powder, and then that's pretty much the finished look. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the rest of the nails. Okay, you guys, so now that you're dusting off all that extra powder, this is pretty much the finished look. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.